Carolina, northeastern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina until 11 a.m.
I knew it.
At 10:27
We're in it.
a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Line gauge, if you're going to say, that's him. Yeah, that's me.
25 miles per hour. Hazard,
We're right
50
in the
miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Leland, Carolina Beach.
Yep, that's me.
Wrightsville Beach, Kerr Beach, Surf
That's
City,
me.
Snows Cut, South Mason Borough
That
Island,
is
Figure
100%
8
me.
Island, Ridge Inlet, North Mason Borough Island, Hampstead,
Not good.
Boiling Spring
That
Lakes,
is us.
Northwest, Topsail Beach, Hyattsville,
SVR.
Long Creek, Cape Fear Community College, North Campus, and Wilmington International Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. At Wilmington,
Yeah, I have
it was
one unread
partly sunny.
message.